going on, people? Back at y'all again with another Best Life Moment with Coach P. Cooks. What I want to talk about in this Best Life Moment, I don't listen to a lot of rappers, because I don't see any, message in the music that they're rapping, about today. Yeah, I know about the drugs, murder, sex, all that stuff. I came up through a time when all of that stuff was hitting the streets, drugs on a level the black community has never seen, death, and how those drugs affect the community, murder and all of that stuff. I came up during the time in the 80s when all of that stuff cracked, that New Jack City lifestyle hit the scene. But Nasir, he's one throwback rapper that I can always listen to whenever he come out with some new material. And he got this one song, I don't know if it's on the track Nobody or on the track Rare, where he talks about, I think it's on the track Rare, where he talks about a man with no imagination has no wings. Think about that. A person without imagination has no wings. That's a powerful statement, and it's a message within that statement. And what I mean by that is, you gotta always be dreaming. Because if you ain't dreaming, chances are, you stuck or you dead, Without imagination, just imagine. Just imagine what you could be. If you can't imagine your possibility, that's a bad place to be. I don't care what circumstance, what situation, what environment you may find yourself in. Imagine yourself being somewhere better. Imagine yourself doing life the way you want to do life. Imagine that. That's the power of imagination. Imagine yourself beyond your current situation. Imagine that. Because without that imagination, you can't fly. You can't fly. Without that imagination, you're going to forever be stuck in situations and circumstances, making excuses why you can't do this, why you can't do that. Imagine. You know how many people pull themselves up out of the mud based on their imagination? Imagination is power. It's powerful. So, as I say, dream. Dream. And when you're dreaming, dream big. Because if your dream don't scare you, guess what? It ain't big enough. I know y'all done heard that before. But just remember, a man or woman or a person in general without an imagination has no wings. Let that marinate on you for a minute. A person without an imagination has no wings, meaning without your imagination, you can't fly. So with that being said, dream the impossible dream. Imagine yourself beyond your current situation and go get it. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed this Best Life Moment with Coach P. Cooks. Peace, and I'm out.